Okay, are there any questions? I'm just here for questions, meaning there is no lesson for today.
I do have a question about the Unknown Project.
Okay, go ahead and ask.
So, since we are not obviously able to go into the lab and streak these things ourselves, are we just waiting for the gelatin results for you to give us the gelatin results, or do we have to give you some type of like synthesized swabbing?
The only thing you need to do now is to put down your unknown number in your unknown notes. And you're waiting for the results, which you'll get hopefully on Tuesday. And then
Awesome.
once you get the
Thank you
results,
so much.
take a look at the results and take a look at the table, and then you decide which test to run after that. But at the moment, you don't have any results. All you have is an unknown number, and what you're supposed to be doing if you were actually in the lab at this point would be streaking out your bacteria and getting isolated cultures and making sure you have a pure culture. So you'd probably want to streak it out twice as colonies. And so that's what we're sort of waiting for.
Okay,
Meaning
but our
that there's no test you can ask yet because you haven't gotten the results yet. Is that your question?
yeah, I just want to make sure because I started my notes. I just want to make sure, like, for my day one, I didn't have to write,
You
stayed
got your
very standard.
bacteria. You can write in your notes. You got your bacteria, and you're streaking it out into colonies to make sure you have a pure culture. That's all
Thank
you
you
need.
so much.
Okay. And on Tuesday, I'll send you the results. At that point, you should then look at the table of the unknowns and figure out what you have and what are the possibilities, and then figure out which test to do at that point. But you have to wait until Tuesday.
All right.
And
My second question.
every time you ask for a test, once I get it, then you're going to have to wait for the incubation period of that test before I send you the results. And the gelatin test takes a week. That's why you're getting the test results on Tuesday.
All right. Thank you for answering that question. My second one is going to be I get the Flash player to load for the lab. I've downloaded Google Chrome. I'm running it off Safari. I can't get it to load.
Oh, you can't get Flash to run? Have you downloaded your lab manual directly on your hard drive and tried getting it to run directly from your hard drive? When I run it in Canvas, I can't get Flash to run, but when I download the lab manual onto my computer, I can then get Flash to run. I think it runs in Google Chrome as well as Firefox. I haven't tried it in the other browsers, but if you've done that and you've done it in all the other browsers, there's nothing further you can do. Sorry if that's showing. I don't know if I got this showing or not. It's not showing. Never mind. Okay. So does that answer your question? Download the lab manual directly to your computer and then try opening it on your computer and seeing if you can get Flash to run.
Yeah, I tried that.
And you've tried all the other browsers.
I haven't tried Firefox yet.
Okay, well, try all of the browsers. I'm not sure why some of the browsers are more sensitive to others. Did you unload, or how do I word that? Did you remove Flash from your computer?
Not that I know of. I'm working off of a Mac. I don't know if that affects anything.
Okay, I don't know if that affects anything or not. The other thing you can do is if you can get a hold of another computer, try downloading the lab manual on that computer and seeing if it will run from that computer. And if it's somebody else's computer, all you need to do is download it to the desktop, and then when you're done, just delete that file.
Okay, thank you.
Okay? That's what
Yes,
you can
thank you.
try. All right, any other questions? Fong, Calvin? I'm only answering questions today, so Lori, Denise, if you have questions, ask them. If not, there's no reason for you to be here. All right, since there's no further questions, I'm going to stop recording.